Hello everyone, in this video I will show you a product that I have been working on for last week. This product helps user remove background from an image and replace it with another background, all by using AI. Before I move forward and walk you through the demo of the product, this product running locally on my machine and uses all the free technology available. So let's get started. This is the product home page where you first upload a product image. So I will choose a giraffe image. When I click on remove background, you will see how fast it removes the background and removes all the background pixel from the image. And I'm sure you have noticed that I haven't provided anything what is background and what is foreground in my image. With AI, it identifies what is in the foreground and removes everything from the background. The next step is a touch-up step. There is a strong possibility that even with AI, some objects which are unwanted stays in the image. So with the erase tool, you can remove those elements from the image. But since in this image, there is no unwanted things that I need to remove, so I'll go to next background. Here, there are two possibilities. First, either you upload a background image or generate a background image using AI. In this case, let me generate an image with AI. I'll say a jungle scene with green grass and small lake and clouds. I am using OpenAI in backend to generate the image for the background. You can see the image is generated. Once you are satisfied with the image, you can click next to adjust. And now you can do couple of things here for the foreground image and the background image. For the foreground image, you can change the scale, change the position, and also rotate the image as well. Okay, and let me place it here. And for the background, you can change brightness, contrast, saturation, and add blur as per your liking. So I think this looks good on my image. When I click on the next button, you will see the comparison of original image, the one with removed background, and the final result. When you click on download final image, it will download the final image and you can see the final image as well. Since I have added some blur, you can see the clarity. This application is built on top of Bria AI RMBG 2.0. This is a background removal AI model specifically trained to remove background from the images for commercial and content creator. I guess this is it from my side for this video. The code I have used in this video is available on my GitHub and the link for it is in the description of the video. Finally, if you like the content I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.